Hello, my name is John Cole and I'd like to welcome you to the Ford Piquette plant. My work in my profession at Kahn Associates puts me in the position of acknowledging the industrial footprint of Detroit and had grown from its early beginnings to where it is today. Here in the Detroit area and in the Midwest, a lot of the history, the early automotive history, has been lost and it needs to be preserved. This building was more or less the last of its kind for automotive construction. In its 6-year period, it became obsolete as Ford developed processes and eventually moved to a reinforced concrete building in Highland Park. There is a story here that can only be told here in this building. Plus, all the vintage vehicles here are pretty cool. No matter how well a building is constructed, and this building has really good bones, it will eventually decay. In the past 20 years, volunteers have done a fabulous job using limited resources to restore and update this building. There's been a lot of sweat equity that has been incurred. Imagine if those resources were less limited, what a difference that would make to the visitor experience. The Ford Piquette Board of Trustees has a clear plan and vision of how to upgrade this building. Here are some of the projects that would improve the visitor experience. Updating electrical systems, enhancing fire safety, including exiting stairs, build 2 new classrooms, install new passenger elevator, install new heating and cooling systems, provide larger event spaces, restoration of Ford's 1904 business office, install new bathrooms on all 3 floors, and a new parking lot across Piquette Avenue. Our first project is to update the electrical system. The current system dates back to 1926. It is in great need of upgrade to meet the current electrical codes. This building is a place that needs to be preserved. It needs to be preserved for the next generations and the generations to follow so that others can understand the story of the Ford Motor Company and its innovations and how it placed America on wheels. We definitely need, appreciate, and value your consideration for providing a donation to support this capital campaign. Thank you for your support. We greatly appreciate it.